Hey guys, we're in Miami. So we just got to the hotel. We're staying at the Hilton, DoubleTree by Hilton at Hollywood Beach. So this is the front of the room. I don't know what this is. Oh, just iron board stuff, closet. We have like a fridge, microwave, and then over here you have like the bathroom area, which is kind of weird, but I don't mind. And then this is the shower and the toilet, and this is the bed. And then our view is not that good, but we can't switch it because they are booked out. But the pool, come on, the pool is over here. Why is it not fixing? The pool is over here, and then this is just our little view for now. So yeah, we just came back from the airport, so we're gonna shower, relax a little, and then get ready to go out. So I'll see you guys when we're going out. So guys, we are ready to go out. It was raining earlier, so our plans kind of changed. We're just gonna go to this simple restaurant and then maybe a hookah bar after. So I'm wearing this shirt from Forever 21 Shein. It's giving boyfriend shorts, but I just bought it too big. I had it taken in and it's just still too big. Jewelry from Pretty Little Thing and Forever 21, and then my bag is Shein, and then I'm just wearing my Tory Burch. So I'll see you guys when I get to the restaurant. Hey guys, so we are at Yard House. It's just something that's close by to the hotel, so we're just gonna get some drinks and some tea because we only had something light at the airport. So yeah, we've been here before because there's one in San Antonio. So yeah, I'll just get back to you guys when we're doing something. Guys, so it's day 2 in Miami. We just got a rental. Yeah, it's a little hectic, but we're on our way to get some Jamaican food, and we're just gonna chill at the hotel or the beach today, and then we're going to dinner later. So yeah, oh god guys, the views in Miami is so cute. Let me turn this down, I don't want to get copyrighted, but yeah, it's so beautiful here. I'm gonna try and move here. I'm joking. Ooh, look over there. But yeah, I will just get back to you guys once we get the food and we'll rate it, and I'll bring you guys to the beach with me. Guys, we're just chilling on the balcony. The pool is like over there, and it just has some palm trees. So we got this from Mama's Jamaican. I got fried chicken with cabbage and oxtail gravy, and you know, one drink over there. And we're just gonna grab and then head down to the I just put on this swimsuit cover up from Pretty Little Thing. My glasses are from Aldo, and everything else is from Shein, and the slippers is my jelly thong from Tory Burch. But yeah, I don't know if I should put a watch on since I'm going to the pool or the beach, but I feel like my wrist is missing something, because you know I have jewelry here and stuff. But yeah,
One hop this time. Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Cha-cha, real smooth.
Don't forget we got the yacht shots. It's only $3. The drawbridge is open.
To the left, your knees, hands on your knees. Get fucking with it. Oh.
Hey guys, let me turn this down. We're all set for dinner. Guys, my makeup looks so good. So we're on our way to dinner. I haven't gotten to take any pictures yet, but I'm gonna try to take some at the restaurant. Oh, my nail even came off because the restaurant is super cute. I can't wait to show you guys. So see you when we get there. Hey guys, day 3 in the Army. So we went to Mams, is it Mams? I don't know, M-A-A-M''S Jamaican restaurant. We got 2 beef patty, a chicken patty, babe. I want most of that one, don't eat it all. And we got 2 large cup of red pea soup. So we're gonna go back to the hotel and go by the pool again, get some drinks, and we going to the strip later, to this restaurant on the strip, and then we're going on this sunset boat ride. Of course you guys are coming along. Yeah. Damn, guys are asking to leave in peace at the party. Look at this. Don't look at me like that. But yeah, oh babe, somebody getting a delivery from Carvana and she's just on her phone driving. My people in Florida cannot drive. By the way, tinted my eyebrows make my makeup go by so quicker. It takes me like 10-15 minutes to put on foundation, concealer, contour, blush, highlight, bronzer, all of that stuff. And it was really quick because my brows are already done. I did clean them up though, just, you know. But my makeup came out so cute. I insert some pictures right here. Tell me what you guys think. Now we're gonna head back to the hotel. See you guys when we're there. Hey guys. Damn, I look fat. We got a soup here. I tasted it, and I'm not that big of a fan, honestly. I feel like I do a way better job. It's just not tasting red peasy. This is how it looks. You see, it's not even red. Like, don't think it's the camera. It's not even red. I don't know. We're just gonna drink some for some gas. And I'm gonna put some concealer over my darkness. And put on some, put a lippy on. I think we're just gonna bring our cups and our liquor downstairs instead of buying drinks. Cause we have vodka and cheese. But yeah guys, I'm gonna hot comb the top of my hair and add more concealer, and then I'll show you the full fit when we go outside. So, yeah guys. Okay guys, this is the fit. Ignore the messy background. Bathing suit from Pretty Little Thing. Has this cute little emblem right here. Cover up skirt from Shein, bag from Shein, slippers from Shein, glasses Aldo. So yeah, so we're getting ready to go take some pictures. Ooh, I'm giving coolie girl. And then we're gonna go by the pool. And the bottle. Yo, you lazy? Okay, that means you can't take up something. Ooh. A break. Ooh, my lip gloss is popping. My lip gloss is cool. Guys, get into this lippy. Damn, this looks so good. Huh? Yeah, we could stay here all day. On Monday too, we can wake up. Oh, remind me to ask about a late checkout. This is the outfit, and we're gonna head to the strip. I don't. From San Antonio. We're from San Antonio.
Oh, you're from San Antonio?
Yeah.
Y'all might be the show. Y'all live here now?
No, visiting.
Oh, we can use.
god, guys, look at all the goodies I got. Oh, I'm about to fuck these up. But yes, I went to Rocket Boys. This is where it is, and got all my stuff. But yeah, now we're gonna head back to the hotel and chill by the pool. Hey guys, we're by the pool now, and we're just relaxing. We have a few other snacks, and oh shit, guys, my camera almost fell. Give me some. The green, oh ew. Put it down on the towel. Yeah, we just have a few Jamaican snacks, drink. And this is the last day of this view. I am going to miss this, I tell you. I am gonna miss this. It's so beautiful out here. And the weather is like perfect. It's not too hot. It's not too windy. It's just perfect. But yeah guys, so I'll get back to you when I'm going to the airport.